Hi, this is Mr. Nazarian. Our learning objectives today: I can classify two-dimensional shapes based on their properties, 5th grade standard 5G4, and I can understand how attributes of two-dimensional shapes in a category also belong to all subcategories of those shapes, 5th grade standard 5G3. Today's lesson, our category of polygons, is going to be polygons with more than 4 sides and angles. So the last couple of days we looked at quadrilaterals with 4 sides and 4 angles, and triangles with 3 sides and 3 angles. Now we're going to look at several other polygons that have more than 4 sides and 4 angles. So the definition of a polygon is a two-dimensional figure that is formed by straight line segments resulting in a closed shape. So it can't have any open sides where you could fill it up. It has to be a closed shape, and the sides have to be straight lines. They cannot be curved in order for them to be polygons. Okay, so we're going to look at several right now. The first one is a pentagon, and a pentagon has 5 sides and 5 angles. So there's 5 sides, 5 angles. It's a pentagon. And all these come from Latin, so penta meaning 5, and gon is their angles, so it's 5 angles. The next one is a hexagon. Has 6 sides and 6 angles. Hex meaning, as you can guess, 6. So 6 sides and 6 angles, it's called a hexagon. And a heptagon. A heptagon is a polygon that has 7 sides and 7 angles. Something also about all of these polygons that we're looking at today, this is a regular pentagon, this is a regular hexagon, this is a regular heptagon, and all that means is that all of them are equilateral. So this pentagon with 5 sides and 5 angles, all 5 sides are equal length. In the hexagon, all 6 sides are equal length. That is not the case with all pentagons and all hexagons and all heptagons. It just happens the examples that we're looking at fit into that subcategory of their regular pentagons, regular hexagons, because all of their sides are equal. You could have a pentagon, for example, that looks like, look at a familiar shape, looks kind of like a house. And this is, as you can see, a pentagon that has 5 sides and 5 angles, but these sides are not the same length as these sides, and this is not the same length. So anyway, I just wanted to point that out. Okay, and I'll look at 3 more here. This is some familiar shape to you, and last time you've seen a stop sign, it looks like this, right? And these are octagons, which means they have 8 sides and 8 angles. Oct meaning 8. You think about like an octopus with its 8 tentacles. And the next one is a nonagon, which has 9 sides and 9 angles. And finally, we have a decagon, which is 10 sides and 10 angles. And so those are the other polygons that I wanted us to look at, and we'll do some work with that tomorrow in class. All right, see you then.